On June 11, 2024, Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University announced a partnership with the Boeing company that will bring upwards of 400 high-paying jobs to Central Florida. The Cici and Hyatt Brown Center for Aerospace Technology will be leased entirely by Boeing and will be opening later this fall. Both Cici and Hyatt in 2022 matched funds given to the university from the Florida legislature with a $25 million donation, totaling $50 million. The Browns were presented with a model of the center that is not only named after them, but partly funded by their generous donation. Maury Hosseini, chairman of the Board of Trustees of Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, during his opening speech said that today is about the future, and that Boeing has partnered with Embry-Riddle to create a center of excellence focused on engineering for their defense, space, and security programs.
Being pilots, they come from all over the country to Daytona Beach to go to school because of Embry-Riddle. And many of them stay here, many of them want to stay here, and now with the presence of Boeing, it's going to add to that formula of success.
In addition to leasing the center, Boeing will make a $100,000 investment into some of Volusia County's nonprofit organizations. We had the opportunity to speak with Dr. P. Barry Butler, the president of the university, who told the Avion that this is not just about a partnership with Boeing, but it is about continuing to ensure that our students are set up for success. Clayton Loughary, Editor-in-Chief, The Avion.